Hello, ladies and gentlemen, this is Helaman and Gile from Smart Duck Studios, and today I got the Renogy E Flex 10 Plus. E Flex 10 Plus. Anyway, it's a portable solar panel, and I was thinking of adding it to one of my survival kits, and also for camping, so like that. So here's kind of actually some of the information on the back. So I plan on just opening this up and showing all of you what's in the package. Just picked this up, it just barely came in the mail today, so this will be fun. Alright, there we go. Actually a little bit smaller than I expected. That's alright, it's actually not too small, and small is actually a good thing when you're trying to do hiking and stuff like that. Oh, that's actually the front? That's where the solar panel is? Doesn't look like a solar panel. That's it. Huh? Is there like a reflective pill that you peel off, or is that it? Well, anyway, here are the stickers. Here's the device itself. Manual. This is what comes with the Renogy, so tells you what to do. It does have this really weird material out on the front. Very, very interesting, everyone. It's actually kind of heavy, but it actually feels very well made. And so I would actually feel comfortable putting this out near the rain. Let's check that USB port, see if it's protected for water. I know some are, like they all have a, oh no it doesn't. Okay, I was expecting like this little thing that you just push in. That's something I would ask Renogy to do. I hope I'm saying your guys' name right. Yeah, it has a little logo right up here. Anyway, I'm just in the car at the moment. But yeah, here's the solar panel. It has this almost matted material over the front of it. And then it has some carabiners. No USB, so can't test it right at the moment, but I will assure you I will test it in just a bit. Okay everyone, I have the solar panel set up and I have it plugged in actually just to a wireless charger. I'm going to set this phone on there. This is a dummy phone because it's not really a dummy phone, but it's a phone that I'll use to show you what's going on. So it's charging actually, and as you can see, still charging. And this is actually plugged right into just a wireless charger, so that's pretty neat. It's actually able to do that. So if I had it plugged into a power bank, it's pretty impressive. It doesn't actually bend very easily, and so what you get is kind of what you get. Let's see if we can disrupt the charge. So, how much of it does that? The disrupt? It's still charging. Cover 2 panels. Still charging. Huh. It's pretty awesome. Anyway, well, that's actually the Renogy. I'll actually leave it out here for just a little bit of time and see how that ends up doing. And I'll get back. Right now it's 49%, and I will come back in exactly 30 minutes. Okay everyone, it's actually been 30 minutes, so I'm walking down and I'm going to go check. So the sun has gone down, so I am pretty sure it has stopped. Or, whoa, okay, it's actually 64% guys, and it is still charging. Remarkably, and the sun is actually almost down. So yeah, 64% went from 49 to 64. That's roughly 14% in 30 minutes. That's pretty good in my. This is 3,300 milliamps. Is LG V30. So I'll just have to do the math real quick, but according to that, even with this dim light and this stuff that's blocking some of the light, it actually did really well. 30 minutes, got 64%, and this is also a wireless charger, guys. And wireless chargers are not known for the best, like, you know, when it comes down to charging speed. Anyway, that is the video, and yeah, so would I recommend it? Renogy E Flex 10. Yeah, I would recommend it. So, how much would I pay for it? I would pay no more than $30. How much did I pay for it? I paid $20. And what is the average going cost for one of these? Well, it is about $60. I'm actually going to be getting a few more solar panels I'm going to be reviewing soon. So look out for those videos. And as always, thank you guys for watching. I hope you did enjoy. Peace out.